Okay, here we have Timelink model 88036 color changing. Now, rotating or static mood lights, these are going to change right in front of you. Oh, I got to start over.
Make sure you talk about the color on the thing.
Yeah. Okay, here we have the Timelink model 88036 in pink and blue. Now, this is rotating or static mood lights. Right before your eyes, you're going to slowly start seeing it change from blue, yellow, purple, green, and pink. 10-second interval color changing mode for night light and backlight. Freeze mode option to lock in your choice of color. Light on off option. Alarm time display. Press anywhere 5-minute snooze, which I thought was very unique because the feet on this clock are actually the snooze button. Really neat. So you can physically press it down, it's snoozed. I like that. In a moment you're going to hear the alarm. It's a 4-stage ascending alarm. It's pretty powerful, enough to wake up a child. But what I really like is the color changing, and due to a couple certain colors you can't see the screen. That's only through the camera effect. With the human eye it looks clean and clear and crisp. Don't let the camera fool you. Quality by Timelink.